All right. Hello, welcome back to this tutorial again. Today we are going to walk around electric potential. From the previous video that I earlier posted, we came out with a formula for solving electric potential. So today, or this time around, we are going to be looking at we are going to be working around a simple calculation from here. So the question that we have here is to determine the electric potential due to charge 5.3 microcoulomb placed at the point 6 times 10 raised to the power of minus 4 meter. First of all, we just need to bring out the parameters. So we have, let me say, data. From here, we have solution. First of all, we have a charge Q to be 5 times, I think we have 5.0 here. Sorry. Let's erase this. We have 5.3 microcoulomb. For every 1 microcoulomb, we have 5.3 times 10 raised to the power of minus 6 coulomb. The next parameter we have here is the distance, R. Distance, R, is given as 6 times 10 raised to the power of minus 4 meter. Note that K is always 9.0 times 10 raised to the power of 9 Newton meter squared per coulomb squared. So from what we have here, we can simply apply the formula using the formula for electric potential. V is equal to KQ over R. KQ over R. So here we have V to be equal to 9 times 10 raised to the power of 9 multiplied by 5.3 times 10 raised to the power of minus 6. We have 5.3 times 10 raised to the power of minus 6. Here we have 5.3 times 10 raised to the power of minus 6. All divided by distance that we have here is 6 times 10 raised to the power of minus 4. 6 times 10 raised to the power of minus 4. 6 times 10 raised to the power of minus 4. So if you do this calculation correctly, if you want to break it down before anything using indices, it's still simple. All you need to do is just to say 9 times 5.3 divided by 6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of law of indices 9 plus minus 6 minus 4. So with this, if you are able to put them together correctly, you are supposed to have V to be equal to 7.95 times 10 raised to the power of 7V. This automatically becomes the answer. Breakdown, V is equal to, from what we have here, from what we have earlier, We have 9. 9 times, I'm using my calculator, times 5.3 times 5.3. We have 47.7 divided by 6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 10 raised to the power of 9 plus minus 6 is 9 minus 6 plus 4. 9 minus 6, 9 minus 6 plus 4. So V becomes, divided by 6, here we have 7.95 times 10 raised to the power of 9 minus 6 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7. So this is what we have. So the final unit is what? Is a volt. So from what we have just done, this is what we have from here. Thank you.